Қараңыздар, бізге қонаққа қандай жігіттер келіп қалды. Lamborghini Conor, американский путешественник. Nice, but not Lamborghini. This logo, this restaurant, Orta about center.
Orta is the center?
Center, yes. Center of national food.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
I thought it was just a bunch
Handmade.
of guys doing yoga.
Yoga, not yoga.
It looks like Kazakhstan natural wonders.
Horse meat, беш пармак.
Kazakhstan, yeehaw, we're gonna eat some horse. And then we're gonna eat some brains of some lambs.
Баранья голова. Это почетному гостю дается.
It's lamb.
Interesting. All right. Okay. Bob. Thank you.
This only original from Kazakhstan, horse milk, hummus. Special sauce for Baursak.
The one with
Try.
Kyrgyz love.
It's very interesting.
It's called samovar.
Samovar.
Конор бар, Әділет бар. Апрельде жақсы бір саяхатқа барамыз.